Vysor works for Android mirroring, but lag and connection issues are common. In this video, we'll show 7 better Vysor alternatives for smoother and more reliable screen mirroring. Top 1. Best Vysor alternative screen mirror. When it comes to mirroring your Android or iOS device to a PC, Screen Mirror offers a smooth and reliable experience. Users can control their phones directly from the computer without noticeable lag. How to use the best alternative to Vysor. Step 1. Install the Screen Mirror software on your computer and launch it. Connect your device, such as an Android phone, to the Windows PC using a USB cable. When prompted, select your device and choose Transfer Files to establish the connection. Step 2. On your Android phone, go to Settings about Phone Software Information and tap Build Number multiple times to activate developer options. Then, enable USB debugging on your device. Step 3. Grant the necessary permissions to the software so it can access your device. Then, click Turn On to allow your Android phone to automatically install the Android Screen Mirror APK. The software will list all available items once permissions are granted. Step 4. After installation, your device screen will be mirrored on the Windows PC successfully. You can now use your computer's keyboard and mouse to navigate your Android device and enjoy apps or social activities on a larger screen. Top 2. AnyDesk. Remote access and control are made easy with AnyDesk, which prioritizes low-latency connections. Its lightweight design ensures fast performance, even on slower networks. Top 3. TeamViewer. For those who need cross-platform connectivity, TeamViewer provides a comprehensive solution. Devices can be connected across Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile platforms. It includes advanced tools like screen sharing, remote control, and file transfer. Top 4. Supremo. Offering simplicity without compromising functionality, Supremo delivers a stable remote desktop and mirroring experience. Users can access devices quickly using an ID and password system. Sessions are encrypted for security, ensuring private data stays protected. Top 5. Mirroring 360. Screen sharing and educational purposes are enhanced with Mirroring 360, which allows multiple devices to connect simultaneously. Presentations, lessons, or app demonstrations become effortless with real-time mirroring. Top 6. Castto. Wireless casting becomes simple and effective using Castto, which mirrors smartphones to computers with minimal delay. It supports high-quality resolution, making it suitable for streaming videos or gameplay. Setup is straightforward, requiring only a local network connection. Top 7. RustDesk. An open-source option, RustDesk focuses on secure and private remote connections. Users can self-host servers for complete control over data. Its cross-platform design allows connections between Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS.